Electric vehicles are everywhere, and a solid home charger is key to keeping your ride ready for the road. Whether you're zipping around town or planning a cross-country adventure, these top 5 best-selling EV chargers on Amazon deliver performance, reliability, and convenience. I've dug into reviews, specs, and user feedback to bring you the best options, ensuring accurate details and a fun read. Let's dive into the chargers that are powering up EV life. 1. ChargePoint Home Flex Level 2 EV Charger. The ChargePoint Home Flex is a standout for home charging, offering up to 50 amps of power to juice up your EV 9 times faster than a standard outlet. It works with both J1772 and NACS connectors, so it's ready for nearly any electric vehicle, from Teslas to Rivians. The ChargePoint app is a game changer, letting you schedule charging for off-peak hours, monitor energy use, and even sync with Alexa for voice commands. Its sleek design and 23-foot cable make it a breeze to use, whether you're plugging into a NEMA 14, 50 outlet, or hardwiring it. Customers love the intuitive interface, with one reviewer dubbing it the smoothest charging experience ever. 2. Emporia Level 2 EV Charger. The Emporia Level 2 EV Charger packs a punch with up to 48 amps of power, making it a go-to for quick and efficient charging. Equipped with a J1772 connector, it's compatible with most EVs, and its 24-foot cable gives you plenty of reach. The Emporia app lets you track energy consumption, set charging schedules, and even pair with solar systems for greener driving. Its compact, weatherproof build is perfect for indoor or outdoor setups. Amazon reviewers praise its reliability and energy-saving features, with one user noting it feels like a premium charger without the hefty cost. Experts at the New York Times have called it a top pick for its balance of power and practicality. 3. Grizzl-E Classic Level 2 Charger built tough. The Grizzl-E Classic is a 40-amp, 240-volt charger that's ready for anything. Compatible with J1772 and NACS connectors, it comes with a 24-foot premium cable for flexible parking. You can plug it into a NEMA 14, 50 outlet, or hardwire it for a permanent setup. Made in Canada, this charger is designed to handle harsh weather, making it ideal for outdoor use. Amazon users call it a workhorse, with one saying it's built to last through snow and rain. Its straightforward design focuses on delivering consistent power without unnecessary bells and whistles, perfect for those who want dependable charging. 4. Autel Home Smart AI EV Charger. The Autel Home Smart AI EV Charger brings high-tech flair to your garage. This 40-amp, 240-volt charger features a 25-foot cable and supports J1772 connectors. With Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, the Autel app provides real-time charging stats and remote scheduling. Its AI optimizes charging to match your EV's needs, boosting efficiency. The weatherproof design works indoors or out, and its modern look adds a touch of style. Amazon buyers are hooked on its smart features, with one calling it futuristic and fast. If you love gadgets, this charger's tech-driven approach will keep you smiling. 5. Lectron Level 1 EV Charger. For those who need a portable option, the Lectron Level 1 EV Charger is a compact powerhouse. This 110-volt, 15-amp charger plugs into a standard NEMA 515 outlet, making it ideal for EV owners without a 240-volt setup or those who travel. Its 16-foot extension cord and J1772 cable work with most EVs, and its ETL-certified design ensures safety. While slower than Level 2 chargers, it's perfect for overnight charging or emergencies. Amazon reviews highlight its convenience, with one user saying, "I keep it in my trunk for road trips. It's a game changer." It's a simple, reliable choice for staying charged on the go. These 5 chargers top Amazon's bestseller list because they cater to every EV driver's needs. The ChargePoint Home Flex and Autel Smart AI bring smart, app-driven features for tech lovers. The Emporia and Grizzl-E deliver fast, dependable charging with durable designs. The Lectron Level 1 is all about portability and simplicity. Each one is compatible with most EVs, backed by thousands of Amazon reviews, and built to make your EV life easier. Pick the one that fits your vibe, and you'll be ready to roll with a fully charged battery.